My favorite part of the Ceros Creators Club was seeing all the different experiences that other companies are building, because I think it's hugely inspirational to see what other companies and marketers are thinking about, and it definitely informs my own content plan going forward.
Today we're here at the Ceros Creators Club in San Francisco. It's been just a tremendous event. Myself and my team has just learned a whole lot, and we're excited about what Ceros is doing for the rest of 2019 all the way through 2020, and we're looking forward to creating some awesome experiences, because experience does matter.